Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Susan Timchak and I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here. Today what I'm sharing with you is I made some lemonade out of lemons. I literally had this class planned, but well, it's a bad time of the year, I suppose, for the class. So I had some maybes, and then when it came time for the class, everybody kind of ditched out on me. So, like I said, I'm going to make some lemonade out of the lemons, and I'm going to do something that's going to be beneficial to you. So be sure to continue to watch, and I'm going to have a couple different videos. There are going to be 3 cards that we were supposed to make at the class, but this is using the Share What You Love Suite, which is currently a pre-purchase through Stampin' Up! And there are 3 bundles. It only runs through May 31st. Okay. Oh, there we go. So there is a Just Getting Started bundle if you're brand new to Stampin' Up! And don't want to, you want to make sure that this is something you want to do. You might want to check that out. That does include 2 ink pads along with a clear block, the Love What You Do stamp sets, some cardstock, and envelopes. It's a perfect little kit. If you want a little more, please bundle. We have a little more with some more add-ons. So there's 2 stamp sets, 1 ink pad, and a lot of embellishments and cardstock envelopes. And, oh, I forgot to tell you, with this first one, the Very Vanilla note cards and envelopes is free. So with each bundle, it's a free product that's given, or products. So with a little more, please, you get the Very Vanilla medium envelopes along with the free Share What You Love embellishment kit. Now, if you really love it, and who doesn't, and you want to have it all, you want the entire bundle, and this is the best deal ever. So forget about the other 2. Just go for this one. So this one includes all of the products. And with this one, you get 3 free additional items. This one even comes with an Impressions embossing folder, which is fabulous. And this Designer Series paper. You're going to love that because, well, you'll see, because the cards I'm going to be using that. But with this one, you're going to get exclusive, which is, this is the only way you can get this stamp. It's the Statement of My Heart. It's a single stamp, and you're going to love that. This is the only way you can get that absolutely free. A free pack of Very Vanilla medium envelopes, which is the A2 size, and a free Share What You Love embellishment kit. So you're getting 3 items for free, and you're getting everything so that you can create what I'm going to share with you, my 3 projects, and maybe a little extra too. We also have our In Color collection, which here are the new In Colors. Don't you love them? I know I do. A lot of people were like, oh, they're like primary colors. Well, that is what's in now. And Stampin' Up! Does the in colors because they're the colors that are currently in, which is what all of your famous designers and everybody is using right now. But you can get the In Color collection of brand new ink pads, which is the brand new design with the very easy compact flip case. You'll be able to get 1 of each of the new ink colors and save 10% off. So again, this is only available now through May 31st. Well, depending on when you're watching this. But this is the Share What You Love suite. Now, don't worry if for some reason your budget doesn't allow and you can't, invest in this suite right now. A lot of these products are going to be in the upcoming annual catalog, except for the Statement of My Heart stamp sets and all the free items. You'll just have to purchase them. But my opinion is, why purchase when you can get for free, right? So yeah, let me show you the cards. And like I said, each card I'm going to do a separate video for them. And if you purchase any one of these suites from me through May 31st and use the host code that I have posted on my online store, which you can find at stampandsuecreates.stampinup.net, and that's also where you're going to go to place your order for any of these bundles. There's a host code there. Use that host code to place your order and purchase any of the bundles, and I'm going to send you a card kit absolutely free as a thank you for creating the 3 cards that we're going to do. So, okay, so You'll have the video to watch along with creating with me to make your cards. And if you're just missing, you know, an ink pad or something, substitute for what you have. Or if you don't get all the bundles, you know, you'll have to just substitute and make do. But get the bundle and then create the cards along with me. So here's the photopolymer stamp set, Love What You Do, and absolutely love it. So here is card number 1. Isn't that pretty? And do you see that paper? This is that designer series paper, and it has a pearlescent look to it, being that Stampin' Up! Is celebrating 30 years in business, so 30 years is pearl. So they have on that specialty paper sheets that have that pearlescent look, and when you open it, here's what I have inside, and I added a little shimmer. Can you see, is it picking up? There you go. You can see it right here on the green stamped piece. And using one of the new punches that are coming out, not included in the bundle, but brand new punch, a trio punch, which you're going to definitely want on your wish list. So that's card number 1. Card number 2 is this gorgeous card as well. There's another one of those designer series papers. And how about this velvet ribbon? And again, I forgot to mention the pearlescent doily. And the great thing about the doilies is the other side, here it is here, it's pearlescent. The other side is white. So you can make that any color you want. Or you can use your Stampin' Blends on here and color it with your alcohol pens, which are coming back in stock starting June 1st when the new catalog launches. And the inside of that one is just plain. So that's card number 2. Now, card number 3. This is called the Impossible card, and it stands up like this, but then you can't see it. But let me fold it down for you. So it does fold flat to mail, and this is made with 1/4 of a sheet of cardstock, and it's quite impossible, but we are going to make it possible. And I'm also going to include, where is that? I'm also going to include a template to show you how you're going to cut and score to create this card, because it's a little confusing, but once you see how easy it is to make, you'll use this template to cut and score to make, I know you're going to want to make a lot of other ones, and you can go to a different direction with it as well. So those are the 3 cards that are going to be included in your card kit by purchasing any of the bundles. And I want to share with you 2 more cards. This is a card that we created at the On-Stage event using a lot of the products from this suite and a little peekaboo of vellum there as well. So that is a stunning card. And look at these pearls. They're also in this bundle. And then here's one that I did a video the other day. So you'll want to go back and check my playlist using this bundle with, I love this designer series paper. It's just beautiful. So that's it. That's all. I am going to come back, like I said, and I'm going to do the cards. I will have them labeled the Share What You Love suite with the free card kit if you make a purchase of any of these bundles and use my May host code, but you have to get the order in. I wouldn't wait till May 31st because the last day of the month is going to be crazy, and you want to make sure you're able to get in on the bundles before they're all gone. So I would say at the latest, I would do Wednesday, May 30th, because I want to make sure I can get your card kits assembled and ready to send out to you. So the sooner you purchase them, the sooner you'll be able to get your free card kit from me as a special thank you. So go ahead, head on over to my stampandsuecreates.stampinup.net online store, my AKA demonstrator webpage, and check out the bundle on there where you can see it more in depth and close up. But these bundles are perfect for every crafter, whether you're new, experienced, or you know, want something new and something stunning and beautiful to create. So all right, everyone, thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you back here real soon for me to share the cards and how to assemble them and create them. All right, everyone, have a super Stampin' Day. I will see you all back here again real soon. Bye for now.